How to tag everyone in WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp application on a device. Now navigate to the group chat where you want to add everyone or tag everyone. Now in the message box, tap on it and type add symbol. This will bring up a list of all members in the group. Option 1. If your WhatsApp version supports the add everyone feature, simply type add everyone and send the message. If everyone doesn't work, you can manually select each group members on the list that appears after typing. You can easily follow the same step and tag everyone in this way. After tagging everyone, you can easily type your message and then tap the send button. This will notify all the selected members in the group. And that's it. That's how you can tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.